Hydrosol. Hydrosol is a salt which contains definite number of water molecules loosely attached to its one molecule. Example is Na2CO3.10H2O, also known as washing salt. Hydrosol. Anhydrous salt is a salt which does not contain any water molecule attached to it. Example is NaCl, also known as sodium chloride. Lastly, water of crystallization. Water of crystallization is the number of water molecules attached to a salt to one molecule of the salt. Example is CuSO4.7H2O.5H2O, also known as blue vitriol. Thank you.
Salt. The salt which is formed by the complete neutralization of acid and base is called as normal salt. For example, Na2CO3. Neutral salt. The salt which is formed by the complete neutralization of strong acid and strong base is called as neutral salt. For example, KCl and NaCl. Acidic salt. The salt which is formed by the strong acid and the weak base is called as acidic salt. For example, FeCl2. Basic salt. The salt which is formed by the neutralization of strong acid and strong base and weak acid is called as the basic salt. For example, CH3COONA. Last is double salt. The salt which is formed by the two salts but have the water of crystallization is called as double salt. For example, KCl and MgCl2. Thank you.
Acid salt. The salt which are formed by incomplete neutralization of acid with acid is called acid salt. For example, NaHCl4, CaHPO4. Base salt. The salt which are formed by incomplete neutralization of base with an acid is called base salt. For example, Na2CO3. Double salt. The salt which are formed by two salts but have water of crystallization are called double salt. For example, KCl and MgCl.
Normal salt. The salt which are formed by complete neutralization of acid and bases are called normal salt. Example, NaCO3, Na2CO3. Second one is neutral salt. The salts which are formed by complete neutralization of strong acids and strong bases are called neutral salts. Example, KCl. Third is acidic salt. The salts which are formed by complete neutralization of strong acids and weak bases are called acidic salts. Example, SnSO4. Thank you.
So, neutral salt. The salt which is formed by complete neutralization of strong acid and strong base is known as neutral salt. Example, KCl. Acid salt. The salt which is formed by incomplete neutralization of acid with the base is called acid salt. Example, Na2HPO4. Base salt. The salt which is formed by incomplete neutralization of base with the acid is known as base salt. Example, CaOH Br. Thank you.
Strong acids. Acidic salt. The salts which are made by neutralization of strong acid and weak base are called acidic salt. Example, FeCl3. Acid salt. Salts which are formed when incomplete neutralization of acid is done with base are called acid salt. Example, NaHCO3. Basic salt. Salts which are done with neutralization of strong base with weak acid is called basic salt. Example, PBl